I'm sorry I haven't been able to make videos lately. I've just been sick a lot because now I'm putting on oxygen again. And I apologize if my throat's all sore because the oxygen's been drying out my throat and I've been having bad sinuses, so I may need some soup. Yeah, I've been in the hospital and that's why I'm putting on oxygen because the transplant stuff, my heart got worse, so I may be put on the list higher up on the list, I hope, like midway. So, what I've been doing lately has been growing my herbs. But if you cook, you gotta have some good fresh herbs. Anyway, so let's show you what I got. So I got my strawberry plant. Duncan's been eating on the leaves, and when you see something eating on your plant leaves, you gotta figure out what it is and try to stop it, like and get it away from your plant. Because as you can see, right here, there's some holes, and those are some pretty big holes. And I got flowers blooming. So that's my strawberry plant, and I'm gonna have to put some straws under it where the strawberries can lay on it, where they don't get dirt all over it. And if you come over here, I got my spring onions or green onions, whatever you want to call them. And I had a whole garlic right here that was doing good, but it evidently died. And I have some cilantro right here, but that died. And here's all that's left of my Italian parsley. My rosemary's been doing good. I got fresh rosemary, and that's good on baked potato. I'll have to show y'all a recipe if I would like. And here's some thyme, and it's dying for some reason. So, and I got a United States flag. So, I'm gonna open up this stuff, and then we can start getting started planting my seeds for all my stuff, and I'll be back with you. As you can see right here, I got some Spanish moss for my strawberries, where I put the strawberries, the Spanish moss right here. And then where the strawberries, when they're ready or something, they can lay down onto the Spanish moss. Like this, they can lay down on it where it doesn't get all kinds of dirt and stuff on it. But that's what we're going to do before we start on our seeds. So first, you want to grab some Spanish moss. And then grab some, sorry, my throat. Okay. So then, what you want to do is try to pack it in there. Okay, put the strawberry plant on top. And try to keep on packing it in there. Don't crush the strawberry plant, but you can usually kill on possibly. So, just do that and I'll be back with you. Another thing, when you put the moss in, it helps keep the moisture in for when you water it. So, if I like my strawberries sweet and maybe a little sour. Some sour, some sweet, but mainly sweet. One time I had the yummiest strawberries ever. But they were like, the biggest they would get was the size of my teeth. But it was so good. Like that would be perfect for baking and stuff. I don't really bake. My sister bakes. Yeah, so my sister bakes. So if you want sweet strawberries, in my opinion, water the strawberries at least some, a little, like once a day or once every 2 days. Where the moisture helps it stay sweet. So if you just kind of wet the leaves and the moss a little bit, and the flowers, just wet that out a little bit. Just don't put too much, but just have it where it's nice and wet. Let's put a little more. Yeah, where it's like that. So then, where it takes up that moisture. And if you want, when you have strawberry, what you can do is spray a little bit on the flowers or the strawberry, just a little bit. Because if you put too much, it's going to be like watery. But you want it to be nice and sweet if you want it to be sweet. And it's really good. So, what we're going to do next is plant our stuff. So I'm going to tell you what we're going to plant. And then, after that, I'll have to open all these, like some of these up. And then we can plant them. And I'll show you how to plant them. So first, we got carrots. We're going to try to grow some carrots. I can't promise they're going to grow perfect because these are seeds. So some carrots, radishes, basil, cilantro/coriander, and parsley. And some lettuce stuff. I just got to find that lettuce stuff in a minute. So, we'll open up these seeds and I'll show you the types of lettuce and stuff that we're going to do another time or something, or I'll just keep you updated on that. So I'll be back with you. So now we open our carrot seeds, and we're going to put our carrot seeds in here. So what you want to do is spread it out evenly, and carrot seeds are pretty small. You can see them right here before I plant them. So you want to spread it out real evenly. We moved the dirt. Well, we could just cover it right over. So then what you want to do is rub your fingers, just sprinkle it, try to spread it out, and grab some more, spread it out. Keep on spreading it out. Then try to get some over here, and some over here. Just try to get it everywhere that you can. And just keep on sprinkling it. And stuff. I'm just about done. So just the last one here. And then try to spread it out. Make sure it's all nice and spread out. And wipe off your hands to make sure there's no carrot that on. If you don't want a carrot growing in your hand, that will hurt. So then what you want to do now, there's dirt that we moved to the side. You just move it back on top. Nice and gently. Try to break up into a clump. Okay? Keep on doing that. Spread it out. Just be very gentle when you're doing seeds. So just try to cover up as many seeds as you can. Well, you gotta cover it all up, but yeah, so keep on covering it up, and then you open up the other packages, and I'll be back with you. So now, we open our radishes. So after I put these seeds and cover it, what I will do after that is, I'll go ahead and do all of that other stuff, and I'll show you the last step, or the last 2 steps, whatever you gotta do last. So I'll show you the stuff you'll have to do last. But first, I'm gonna show you one more time by doing the radishes. So what you want to do is grab the seeds. These seeds are a little bit bigger. So then you're gonna spread them out nice and good. We moved the dirt like that for that too, for the radishes too. So just try to spread it out as much as you can. But if you crunch it together, it will not be good. And that watering bottle I was using for the strawberries, my dad made that where I can do that for seeds. Where, if you, let's say you dump a bucket of water over seeds, it will mess up your seeds. So what you want to do is like a real watering can or something, hold in something or something, where it goes everywhere and it spreads out, where it doesn't concentrate in one spot. But that would not be good because it would wash away your seed, get it too soggy. Yeah, all that stuff. So I'm almost done with this. Try to spread them out. Just about done. Okay, so let me just grab this little seed. A couple of seeds. Okay, got that. And then move these seeds that are over here. Okay, so now you want to grab your dirt. Yeah, we're at a new apartment now. So, just move it out. And remember, when you see a big clump like this, try to break it up. Because it would be harder for the plant to grow. So, oh, there's another big chunk right here. So just keep on moving out the dirt and then pat it like this everywhere. And then I'll be back with them. So we're going to use some augment coat plant food. So get a handful like this. So what you want to do, grab it kind of like this seed and just sprinkle it. I'm doing it like a rose. Try to spread it out a little bit. So like that. They look like seeds, but they're not. Make sure you put the plant food before you water it. Where when you water it, it gets the water on the plant food. It gets it all in the soil where the plant will love it. And that will help it grow. So then, let's put some more here. So just keep on doing that and I'll be back with it. Okay. So now the last step is watering it. So make sure you got something that kind of sprays or something like this. Because if you have it where it leaks like that, it's going to mess up your seed. So just do it like that where the soil's kind of wet. So just keep on doing that for all the soil. And then you'll be all done. So, I'm going to finish doing this and I'll be gone. So, yep. So, in the morning, we can water the plant. So, don't forget to check out Spider Duck channel and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!